and welcome back. So after our today's storytelling class in which we have learned about a tortoise and a hare, that how they raced and how a tortoise who was a slow animal still won the race. How? Because we have also learned that slow and steady win the race. वो slow चल रहा था but he didn't stop. उसने ना तो over confidence दिखाया but he was just going steady. वो धीरे धीरे जा रहा था, slow जा रहा था but एक single speed से जा रहा था, and this is how he won the race, isn't it? So that was all about today's story. But now it's time to begin with our today's EVS class. And today we are going to learn something really very interesting in our EVS class. So ma'am is going to teach you about two types of days. That is, rather you can say two type of animals. One which we can see at night. So we are also going to learn about night time and daytime. So the animals that we can see at night, that is night animals, and chirpy birds. Birds कौन सी होती हैं? Can you tell me who are birds? The one which have wings and they fly high in the sky. वो sky में fly करती है, बहुत ऊंचा ऊंचा तक fly कर पाती हैं. So when we are able to see these birds, which are the animals we can see at night? Now, tell me one thing. First of all, what are the things that you see in the sky at night time? जब बाहर night होती है, so what can you see in the sky? Something which is twinkling? Stars. और stars के साथ क्या दिखाई देता है हमें? Moon. Yes. And we can see different shapes of the moon. Full moon, half moon. Isn't it? Crescent. So these are the different shapes. हमें different shapes के moon दिखाई देता है, and we can see the stars also. That is one thing. Now, if it is night, are you able to see a balloon which is flying in the sky? No. Are you able to see a kite? या फिर night में आप kite fly कर पाते हो? Is it possible for you to fly a kite at night time? कभी आपने किया है ऐसा? No. Because we cannot see at night clearly what is there in the sky. Sky में जो night time में जो sky होते हैं, we are not able to see clearly, isn't it? Similarly, if we go to the next day, जब हम दूसरी तरफ देखते हैं, if we have a daytime, so what can you see in the sky? A bright shining sun, है ना? एक sun होता है, and that was shining so brightly कि हमें बिना light के सब कुछ दिखाई दे रहा होता है. At night, you have to switch on the lights, as I have switched on the lights in my room. So जब भी night time होता है, we have to switch on the lights. But when it is a daytime, when we are playing outside in the park, we don't need light because जो sun की light है, the light which is given by the sun is so bright, we don't need anything, and we can see everything clearly. सब कुछ visible होता है. We are able to fly kites, we can see aeroplane, we can see birds in the sky, we can see all the other different animals. But if it is night time और अंधेरा है, when there is no street light, आपके घर पे भी light off है, so are you able to see anything? Isn't it? Now if at night you need to go to washroom, क्या होगा? मम्मा को उठाना पड़ता है ना, because you are not able to see anything, isn't it? So this is the difference between night and day. Night में क्या होता है? We are not able to see all the things clearly, but during the daytime we can see. Now, if we look towards the animals, that is night animals. अब मैम आपको बताएंगे, see, this is the night time when we are able to see moon and stars. Then if we talk about the daytime, there is a bright shining sun, we can see birds flying in the sky, butterfly, flowers, सब कुछ दिखाई देता है हमें, isn't it? Now, if we are talking about the animals that we can see at night, now there are two type of birds that can only fly at night, या फिर that can only see at night. Can you tell me which are they? If you have ever heard of owl, or you can say उसे उल्लू, आपने सुना है ना? So owl, we call it owl in English. उल्लू को हम क्या कहते हैं? Owl. So owl is the bird that can see at night but cannot see at daytime. Owl is opposite. उसको रात में दिखाई देता है, दिन में नहीं दिखाई देता. Same is with bat. Bat होता है, ये cricket वाला bat नहीं है, it's चमगादड़. एक ब्लैक कलर की छोटी सी बर्ड होती है ये विद विंग्स. And if you will see this bat, I'll show you in your book. If you will see these bats, they can fly at night. They can see at night. But during the daytime, again, they cannot see. Is that clear? So this is about night. These two are the animals that can see at night, only at night. Then if we see dogs, then we have other animals, cow, horse. Most of them go for sleep at night. But ये जो दो animals हैं, owl and bat, what they do? They sleep during daytime and they fly at night. Clear? Now, moving to the next, we have chirpy birds. Again, it is related because we can hear the birds chirping during daytime. Yes, when the sun is shining in the sky, या when the sun is rising, जब sunrise का time होता है early morning में, you can see lot of birds कर रही होती हैं. What is that? They are chirping. Why? Because they are happy to see a bright new day. And when they are chirping, they are just flying here and there, and they are collecting food for themselves, for their family. Is that clear? So these are the two topics. Now to make them more understandable, more clear to you, let's see towards the book. Move towards the book. So in the book, you have to open page number 69 and page number 70. So when you will open these two pages, you will find the topic. So let's see how we are going to do our work today. Okay? So class, now open your environmental studies book 1 and you will open this book on page number 69. Can you see this page number? When you will open your book, you will find the topic night animals. So as I told you, there are different animals that are seen during daytime. Then there are some different animals which are visible only at night time. So the first thing we are going to do is write today's date, that is 20th November 2020, and mention CW here. Now talk about the picture and circle all the animals you see in it. As I told you that at night, bat, चमगादड़ कहते हैं हम इसको, this is black in color. They fly at night because they can only see at night time. जब डे टाइम में सन की रोशनी होती है, the sun is shining brightly in the sky. These bats, then we have these owls, उल्लू, they cannot see. वो डे टाइम में नहीं देख सकते. So they stay at one place. वो अपने घर पे ही रहते हैं. Like see, can you see? The owl lives in a hole. ये जो ट्री में एक होल बना है, owl lives here. And these bats also, they keep hanging to their home. आपको पता है हाउस कैसे होते हैं? वो लटक रहे होते हैं अपने घर में. So these bats and owl, they are only able to see at night. So क्या करते हैं? जैसे नाइट में बाकी एनिमल्स हो गए या हम लोग हो गए, we sleep. What they do? They sleep at daytime. कब सोते हैं ये लोग? दिन में. During the day time when it is sun. और जैसे ही सन सेट होता है, स्काई में मून और स्टार्स आ जाते हैं, they are able to see and then they fly. Is that clear? Now can you see a grandmother? She is telling stories to this girl. Now there is another bat here. So देखो आप bat क्या हो रहा है? नाइट में फ्लाई कर रहा है and owl is also able to see. उसकी eyes open है. But this dog, it is sleeping here. This mouse is also about to go for a sleep. Is that clear? Now, circle all the animals you see in it. अब हमें क्या करना है? इस पिक्चर में जो जो animals हैं, उनको हमें circle करना है. For this, we are going to take our pencil colors. Clear? And we will use light color because dark picture है. तो जो भी light color है, अगर हम उसको use करेंगे, if it's not working, let's take blue color and see. It will also work. We'll take white. Now see here, like this you will circle bat. We have one bat here. Then we have one bat here. We have a owl here. So this is how you are going to circle all the animals. Clear? अब बताइए और कहाँ पे है? We have a dog. Dog is an animal? Yes, so we are going to circle dog also. But you see this dog is sleeping. We have a mouse. Clear? So we have circled all the animals. Now see carefully, और कोई animal है? No, because birds are sleeping in their nest and rest all the animals are also gone for the sleep. Now next we have circle the things we can see only at night. अब आपको क्या करना है? There is a key given here. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ pictures दिए हुए हैं and it is asked that you have to circle only those things जो आपको नाइट में दिखती हैं स्काई के अंदर. Let's start doing it. This is a star. Are you able to see a star during night? Yes? Okay, so we are going to circle it like this. Now we have a kite. If you want to fly your kite, will you be able to fly your kite at night time? जब बाहर नाइट हो रही है, it is dark outside, sky dark है, सिर्फ मून और स्टार हैं, तो will you be able to fly your kite? No, we need a bright day to fly our kite. So we are not going to circle it. Next we have is cloud. Are we able to see clouds in the sky at night time? Are we able to see clouds? Yes, आप देखेंगे जब कभी cloudy weather होता है, so we are able to see some white clouds, some grey clouds at night in the moonlight. Can you see here? देखो moonlight में छोटे छोटे से clouds दिख रहे हैं, isn't it? So clouds are visible. What we will do? We are going to circle it out. Now next we have is a bat. See, this is a bat. This black color is a bat. I told you ना यहाँ पे जो ये है, so they can fly in the sky and they are black in color. तो night में कई बार तो we are not able to see whether there is a bat nearby or not. So bat, we can see bat at night time. Yes. So we are going to circle it like this. Now next is the picture of an owl. As I told you, owls are also active at night time. जो उल्लू होते हैं, these owls, they can see at night but they cannot see during daytime. तो ये owls भी हमें night में ही दिखाई देते हैं because during daytime they sleep in their homes. Next we have is a moon. Yes, we can see moon at night. Daytime में तो sun होता है, रात में हमें moon और stars दिखाई देते हैं. So we are going to circle this moon also. Now we have a aeroplane. So is it visible? Are you able to see an aeroplane? We can only see when the lights are blinking in the aeroplane when they are flying in the sky. But if these lights will not blink, we are not able to see now. So we are not going to circle this. Clear? Okay. So this is night animals, the animals which are visible at night. Now moving to the next work we have, that is on page number 70. So when you will see this page, you will find the topic chirpy birds. So today we are also going to learn about birds. Clear? First thing, let's write today's date. 20th November 2020. And let's write class work here. Circle the parrot and the crow you see in the picture. Now see class, you might have seen lot of birds near your home. They might be sitting in your balcony, or they might be sitting near a tree, on a tree near to your home, yeah, in the park or in the garden where you are going to play. So there are lot of birds. And when can you hear the chirping sound of these birds? जैसे animals have their sounds ना, dog do bhav bhav, cat says meow meow. So these birds, what they do, उनकी जो sound होती है, what we call it, chirping sound. जो birds की चू 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 होती रहती है, what we call it, chirping sound. Clear? So when can you hear these chirping sounds? Night में सुनाई देती है? No, because मैंने आपको बताया ना, at night all these birds go for a sleep. Only owl and bat can be seen at night. So all these birds go for a sleep. So birds, they generally make their chirping sounds early in the morning, जब sun निकल रहा होता है, when the sun is coming out, जब sunshine start होता है, at that starting time of the day जो होता है, see, the sun is rising now. Can you see here in this picture? See, the sun is rising. The girl is also waked up. The girl, जो girl सो रही थी, can you see here? Yesterday she was sleeping at night. Now next morning she woke up. When she woke up, rising sun, जब sunrise हो रहा था, she woke up and lot of birds are there in the garden. See, and they all are making beautiful chirping sound. जो बहुत सारी birds chirping sound करती हैं. So the sound that comes to your ear is really very beautiful. बहुत अच्छा लगता है वो हमें. So when the birds do chirping at the sunrise, when the sun is rising, see, there are a lot of birds flying in the sky. Then what they do? What they are doing here? They are collecting food for their family. जो भी ये छोटे छोटे दाने होते हैं, grains होती हैं, या they have dry grass for their nest. तो what they do? They collect all the things. And see, अब डे टाइम था ना, तो आउल चला गया. There is no owl here and no bat. मून भी नहीं है, स्टार्स भी नहीं है. So this is the daytime. And at daytime we have parrots. Have you ever seen a parrot? A green color bird which is having red beak. And you know what is the speciality of a parrot? As we are talking, parrots can talk like us. कभी भी आप किसी parrot को कुछ बोलोगे ना, बोलने के लिए like your name, so they will speak, they will repeat after you. So parrot have this quality in them that they can talk like human beings. Clear? Next, can you see these black color bird? They are called crow. क्या कहते हैं इनको? Crow. We call it कौवा. Then we have these big birds. What we call them? Pigeon. कबूतर. ये बहुत देखे होंगे. What sound they make? This is the sound these pigeons make. And these small little birds, they are sparrow. Clear? So there are a lot of birds. Apart of these, इनके अलावा भी बहुत सारी type of birds होती हैं. Like we have peacock, then we have cuckoo, we have koala. A lot of birds are there in the world. Clear? Now, next is color the birds with the right color. Color the birds with the right color. So what you have to do, you are going to color these birds yourself. So one is crow. Then we have pigeon and a parrot. You can match the colors from here. See, parrot is green in color with red beak. Clear? Then we have pigeon. So this is the color of pigeon. You can color them with grey color. And crow. Crow is a bird which is black in color. So use your pencil colors to do these colors. Clear? Now next, the last today's homework. That is on page number 71. So what you have to do again, write today's date first, 20th November 2020, and mention HW here. Clear? Look outside the window and match. Now see, two windows are given to you. Today I have told you about night and day. We have learnt, isn't it? So night animals में मैम ने आपको सारा night के बारे में बताया. And then we have chirpy birds where I have told you about the daytime. So what you have to do, we have two windows. One is window which is showing night time and the second window which is showing the daytime. अब आपको क्या करना है? See, as it is matched. Night में क्या दिख रहा है? Moon. So उन्होंने उसको match किया. Next, what we can see at night? Stars. So what you will do, just take red color for night. और night में दिखने वाली सारी चीज़ों को you will match with red color. So bat is also visible at night. You will match it with red color like this. Clear? Next we have is daytime. So you have to match the things that you can see during daytime using a different color. Is that clear to all of you? How you are going to complete your work on page number 69, 70 and 71 today. So class, I hope you have understood both the topics, that is the night animals and chirpy birds. Now your work is that whatever I have told you to circle, to color, you have to complete that work. Clear? So on page number 69, as I told you, you are going to do the night animals. Then on page number 70, we have chirpy birds, in which you are going to color the different birds like crow, pigeon, parrot. Clear? And page number 71, which is your today's homework. So both these pages are your classwork. Page 71 is your today's homework. in which I told you have to match the things which are visible at night to the night window and the things which are visible during daytime with the day window. Is that clear to all? So complete your work and get ready for the next class. Bye. Take care.